Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the handle side on your Shimano Stradic spinning reel. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this quick adjustment will make your setup way more comfortable. Let's get started. The good news is, you don't need any tools for this. Shimano designed the Stradic to be easily adjustable by hand. First, hold the reel firmly. Start turning the handle counterclockwise to unscrew it. Keep rotating until the handle comes completely out of the reel body. Once removed, you'll notice a cap covering the opposite side. On the other side of the reel, you'll see a small threaded cap. Unscrew this cap by turning it counterclockwise as well. Set the cap aside somewhere safe, you'll need it in a moment. Now, insert the handle into the opposite side of the reel. Turn it clockwise this time to tighten it. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Take the cap you removed earlier and screw it into the open side where the handle originally was. Again, hand tight is perfect. Give the handle a few turns to make sure everything feels smooth and secure. And that's it. Your Shimano Stradic is now set up for your preferred retrieve side. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more fishing tips and gear tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about your Shimano Stradic. Tight lines, and I'll see you in the next one.